Hi, I'm Alan.
Hi, and I'm Mark.
And I'm Kay, and this is my dad, and this is my uncle, and we all work at Pottstown Hospital. So I've been a nurse here at Pottstown Hospital for the last 6 years. I was able to get my dad a job here as a painter and maintenance person, and my uncle here is a volunteer.
Basically, I'm a gopher. Whatever they need, that's what I do. It takes a little bit of the burden off the nurses, anything that I can do for them, and then they can tend to the more important things of taking care of the patients.
I think the Pottstown Hospital is we're very collaborative, and we take pride in, patient care. I learned my strong work ethic from my dad and my uncle, taking care of patients and just getting the job done.
I'm proud of her because I never went to college. She took it upon herself to do it, and she's doing a great job.
It's always a quick, hi and bye, but it's always fun to see, my dad and my uncle here at the workplace. And it puts a smile on my face to see, family members here during the busy work hours.